Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Oribe Signature Conditioner, a sulfate and paraben-free liquid formula designed specifically for normal hair. This conditioner promises to repair, protect, and leave your hair feeling silky smooth and tangle-free. So what's in this conditioner? Oribe is known for its luxe formulations, and this one lives up to that reputation. It's free from sulfates and parabens, which is great news if you're looking to avoid harsh chemicals that can strip hair of natural oils. Instead, it focuses on gentle yet effective ingredients aimed at repairing damage and protecting your hair's health. The formula targets smoothness and detangling, which is exactly what many of us need in our daily hair care routine. In my experience using the Oribe Signature Conditioner, I found it easy to work into my routine. It has a lightweight, creamy texture that spreads effortlessly through my hair without weighing it down. After rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer and smoother. No greasy residue, which is a win for a conditioner this rich. I also noticed fewer tangles, making combing through wet hair much less of a hassle. It performs well in both morning and evening routines and seemed especially beneficial when my hair was exposed to heat styling or environmental stressors. On the flip side, if you have very dry or coarse hair, you might find it less moisturizing compared to heavier conditioners designed for that purpose. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, typical of Oribe's high-end branding. The bottle design makes dispensing the product easy without wasting any, which I appreciate. The formula's scent is subtle yet elegant, a nice touch for a luxury conditioner that doesn't overpower. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the conditioner's sulfate and paraben-free formulation is a big plus for maintaining healthy hair over time. It delivers on softness and detangling without weighing hair down, and the lightweight texture is ideal for normal hair types. The scent and packaging also add to the overall premium feel. However, it might not provide enough hydration for those with very dry or damaged hair, so if that's your concern, this may not be your go-to. Also, Oribe is positioned in the luxury segment, so the price point reflects that, which may not fit every budget. Speaking of price, is it worth it? The Oribe Signature Conditioner sits at a higher price tier, but considering the quality of ingredients, the pleasant user experience, and the brand's reputation, it does justify the cost if you're looking for a conditioner that combines luxury with effective everyday performance. If your hair needs a deeper treatment or extra moisture, you might want to explore more intensive options. But for normal hair, this is a solid choice. Comparing it to other high-end conditioners, Oribe stands out with its balanced formula that doesn't overdo moisture but still gives you that silky feel. Some alternatives might offer heavier hydration or be more budget-friendly, but they may lack the signature blend of performance and elegance Oribe brings. Overall, the build quality of the packaging and the longevity of the product are impressive. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts well beyond a month with regular use, making the investment more reasonable. I haven't personally needed to reach out to Oribe's customer service, but the brand is known for solid support and reliable product availability, which is comforting when investing in luxury beauty items. If you're curious about more affordable conditioners with similar benefits, you might look into brands like Briogeo or Pureology, which also offer sulfate-free formulas with nourishing ingredients, but at a slightly lower price point. So what's the final take? Oribe Signature Conditioner is a refined, gentle option for those with normal hair who want a conditioner that repairs, protects, and detangles without weighing hair down. It delivers on its promises and offers a touch of luxury that makes everyday hair care feel special. If you have hair that isn't too dry or damaged, and you appreciate a high-quality formula with a sophisticated scent and packaging, this conditioner could be a great addition to your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Oribe Signature Conditioner in the description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.